How to find a clip in a sequence in Premiere Pro. To begin, I imported some clips and added some of them into a sequence. In the timeline, right-click on a clip and select Reveal in Project to highlight that clip in the Project panel. Or right-click on a clip and select Reveal in Explorer to find that clip in the File Explorer. Now let's see how we can find whether a clip inside Project panel is used or not. Click on the icon View at the bottom of Project panel. Now at the bottom of Clips, you can see one or two icons for video and audio. If the icon is blue, it means that this clip is used in at least one sequence, and if it is gray, it means that it didn't used in any sequence. To find the usage, just click on the blue icon and Premiere will show a list of places where this clip is being used. Click on any of them to move the playhead to that location. We can find clip usage in the list view too. Right-click on any of the column headers and select Metadata Display. Search for usage, check video usage, and audio usage checkboxes, and click OK. Now we can see the number of usages. Just click on the number and select the usage to move the playhead to that location. One last tip: if you want to find the exact frame of a clip in timeline, move the playhead to that frame position and press the F key on your keyboard to open that exact frame in the source panel. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.